Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to add more photos on your Facebook dating. Maybe you want to add more photos on Facebook dating but you don't know how. So today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add more photos on Facebook dating. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then from here, simply tap on this heart icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And you'll be directed into this Facebook dating. And here to add more photos, simply swipe this and you'll see here the profile. Tap on this profile. And then in here, as you can see, photos and prompts. Profile with 3 or more photos are shown to more people. In here, add photos or prompt. In here, simply add photo. In here, select the photos you want to add. After that, tap on this next button. And then in here, tap on the save button to continue. As you can see, the photos is added to your profile. If you know another way on how you can add photos into your Facebook dating profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.